when you wound your hand, let's say you cut a tendon, you cut a muscle, you have an injury to your hand, and you go into the hospital, and then they have to do reconstructive surgery to fix what has been broken. And then after the surgery, after you've sort of been fixed up, you go to physical therapy. You need therapy for that hand so that it can learn how to regain its movement and strength and capacity. One of the things that they'll often have you do is work with clay. And the assignment is to make X number of ashtrays every week. And there's a certain way to do the ashtray. And so you've got to like mold the ashtray, and the first ones don't turn out very well. And so you start working really hard to like make this ashtray, because you know that the doctor is going to come and evaluate your ashtray at the end of this sort of therapeutic process. So you work on all of these ashtrays, you work really, really hard, and you finally get it right. And you create this lovely ashtray. And the doctor comes at the end of the therapy and doesn't even look at the ashtrays, looks at your hands. Because the point of making all the ashtrays was to build the capacity and strength in the hands. And, you know, he was talking about how life is a little bit like this. Don't make the mistake of thinking that the evaluation will happen in the things happening outside of you. It is about who you're becoming as you're going through all of the ashtrays that you're making in life. And at the end of the day, the ashtrays don't matter. They get thrown away. They were just given to you as something to practice with as you develop your internal capacities and resources, and as you help yourself heal. And so the focus, keep the focus on what you're learning, how it's creating more integration inside of you, how it creates more discernment and wisdom inside of you. Ground yourself in what you are knowing now that you didn't know then, and trust that.